We're going to see if the new Scuba S1 is up to this challenge. My pool is absolutely filthy. It's been in winter and didn't get covered, and it's just full of stuff. I don't expect this to clean this thing completely. The slime is going to weigh it down, but I do want to throw it in there and see what it can do. You do have 4 different cleaning options on this one. If we push the button once here, hold it down, it'll come on. This is auto. This will spend half the time on the walls, half the time on the floors. This one over here is 100% floors. This is 100% walls. This over here is going to clean for 45 minutes every 48 hours for a week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on floor only, and we're just going to drop this in. This one weighs enough where it's going to take on water pretty quick. I don't mind helping them get down there a little bit quicker. And let's see what it can do with these tank-like tires on this extremely wrinkled old above ground pool that we're about to get rid of. Let's see what it does. So even in this slime, most vacuums you can't do anything with it because it's just such bad shape. But you can see this is actually turning already in it. And it's probably going to get clogged pretty quick because of the amount of leaves and slime. But we're going to let this thing run. It'll run for 150 minutes. And once it's done, it'll find a wall. And we'll come fish it out and see just how much gunk it was able to pick up. We pulled the Scuba S1 out of the pool. It's a very dirty pool, by the way, so there's like moss stuck on all of it. But here's what I want you to see. Like when we open this up here on top, what you want to do is you want to clean it. You'll push this little button here and you'll pull out this spot. That spot down there will need to be rinsed out, but this is where everything is contained. So like, watch this. Oh, looks like a nasty soup of some sort because this stuff is so thick. This is incredibly thick moss and algae. So we're going to dump this out. You can see there's leaves and all kinds of debris inside there. So now we got to rinse that out. And when you're rinsing that out, you probably will need to rinse it from the outside first to get all of this cleaned off, because it's going to be stuck from the inside. So rinse it all out and make sure you rinse this out here, get all of that off of it as much as you can. Whatever grossness might be on it, let's rinse that out. The beauty of this unit is like you'll rinse out this container here, this little box, and if you maybe have something hang on, you can get it out. You rinse all of it out, and when you close it up, it'll kind of close up like so, and then it'll pop back down inside of here. It only goes one way, like you can't put it in wrong, and that's all you have to pull out. You don't have to pull out the rest of it. I do recommend rinsing all of it off. Make sure you have the wheels cleaned off. Make sure you have this part down here nice and cleaned off, and then you will close this back, and then on the back side back here is where you will charge it. Now I will recommend making sure that is nice and dry before you plug it back in. The Scuba S1 from Aiper does an amazing job on an above ground pool or an in-ground pool. You've got ways to clean the floor, ways to clean the wall, ways to clean both. You can set up for 48 hours to run here and there throughout the week. Amazing pool vacuum.